In this specific video, you're going to learn how to change the permalinks structure. Now, what are permalinks? Permalinks are just a fancy word in short for making your links of your WordPress site more search engine friendly. So let me give you an example here. Normally, if you've installed your WordPress site, it's going to look like this: yourdomain.com/p=123. Now, you want to make your site as search engine friendly as possible, and you want to help the search engines know what your site is all about. So if the search engine were to come to your site and they see something like this, they're not really going to know what this means. Now, imagine this. Your site looks more like this: yourdomain.com/your title or keyword, like this. If I were to create, let's say, a page titled Internet Video Tutorials, then when the search engine comes to my site, they're going to see yourdomain.com/internet video tutorials. Think about that. Search engines are going to know what this is about versus what this is about. Now that you understand what permalinks are and why you need to change them, let me show you how to do that. To edit the permalinks, if you go to settings and go to permalinks, this is where you can actually change the permalinks. Now, before I actually do that, you're going to need to create what we call a .htaccess file. To do that, it's easy. You're going to need to upload that file with an FTP program. So we're going to be using a program called FileZilla, as you can see here. And if you don't have the program, then download FileZilla. And you can do a Google search on this and download and install the program. To create a .htaccess file, it's very easy to do. If you're using Windows, right-click, click on New, and click on Text Document. We can rename this later. At this point, you need to log into your FTP program. You're going to need to find the location of your WordPress files. And at the main directory or the root directory, simply copy this text file over to the main directory. At this point, locate that text file. We're going to rename it as .htaccess, and that's it. At this point, click on it, right-click on it, click on File Permissions. We're going to change these to 777. Click on OK. We're going to go back to your WordPress dashboard and select Post Name. Click on Save Changes. And as you can see, the permalink structure has been updated. At this point, you're going to need to secure your .htaccess file. So do the same thing. Right-click File Permissions. But in this case, change it back to 644. And that's it. Now, whenever you create a post or a page or anything like that, it'll create a friendly URL.